Hey guys, my name is Koushik and welcome back to LetCode. In this video, we're going to learn about the linear search. Linear search is also known as sequential search. It's a method for finding an element within a list. It sequentially checks each element of the list until a match is found or the whole list has been searched. For example, consider we have an array with the value like 10, 45, 69, 14, 89, 100, 23 and 201. You can see that this array is basically unsorted array. If you want to search an element from an array which is sorted, we can go with the binary search that we discussed in our previous video. But here our array is an unsorted array. So how does linear search work in the sense like, for example, let's say that we want to find x equal to 69. So it will go from the very first, okay, like this. So it will like 0, 1, 2, 3 and 7. So this is the index of the array. So first it will go and see the array of 0, which is 10, which is obviously not equal to x. So it will go to the next one. So array of 1 is 45, which is also not equal to x. So it will go to the next one, that is array of 2, and the value is 16, which is equivalent of x. So we can come out of this loop. So this is the basic technique, or we can say like the basic search algorithm to find any element within the array. It can be sorted as well as unsorted, but as discussed in the previous video, if it's sorted, then we should go with the binary search. Now let's see how to do the same implementation using JavaScript. So here I have the same array like 10, 45, 69 and all the other values. Here I have created a function called linear search, and then I'm logging that function. And within the linear search function, I have received the array as an argument and the x, that is the value to be found. So first of all, we have to find the length of the array. So here we'll say like let length equal to array dot length, and then we'll just simply use a loop. And of course, as discussed, we have to start from the very beginning. So let I equal to 0, and it should be less than the length. I should be less than the length, and we'll increment the value 1 by 1. And here we'll try to find the element. So if x equals array of I. So what is I? I is basically like in the first iteration it will be 0, and in the second iteration it will be 1, and so on until the length. If the values match, then what we'll do? We'll simply say like return the value, or also we can return the index. In my case, I want to find the index of the x. Okay, so here I will return the I. That's it, pretty much simple. But what if the value is not there? So here we'll simply say like return, and we can give like -1 or some string like not found. Okay, so that's it, very simple thing. Linear search is very simple. Now you might ask me, hey Koushik, why did you write the return outside of the loop? Because if you write the return within the loop as if else condition, then if the first itself the value is not going to match, the x is not going to match, it will go to the x else condition and it will return the value. But as we discussed, we have to go through each and every element of the array. So it should be like from the beginning to the end. So that is the only reason. Within the for loop, we'll just try to find the value. If the value is there, we'll just return the index, or else after the execution of the loop, we'll say like not found. Okay. So let's confirm that by executing the same. So we are going to say like node and then followed by linear search.js. And here you can see like already I have given the x as 14, and here 14 is within the 0, 1, 2, 3, third index. So here we got the same. Now let's go and check for the last element. Probably I will say like here I want to search for like 201, and we'll execute the same again. And here you can see like we got in the 7th index, and let's make it like 202, which is not in our array. This time we should get like not found. Okay, so that's it, very simple thing. This looks very easy, and actually the linear search is very easy. Just we'll iterate from the first element to the last element of the array. If the value is there, we'll return the index, or else we'll say like -1 or the not found message. So that's it from my side. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one very soon.